Hi, my name is Bryce Newton, and we'll be solving homework problem 4.6. I believe it's book problem 5.5. And we start here with a coupled, a pair of coupled equations. And as you can see, they're pretty much in the right form, where we have our derivative, which is really x with respect to time, on the left-hand side of the equation, and all the other variables on the right hand side, as well as this other equation where we have the time dependent variable on the left, everything else on the right. And so what we need to do here is first take the Laplace transform of each to get this in the S domain. And as you can see, that's what we've done here. And we get the S, x of S, and all these accordingly with the right Laplace transform for each variable. And so all I did here, as you can see, is I got our x of S by itself. And so the S was there. You divide it through onto the other side, get that expression. And same here, had the S, divide it through to get the y of S by itself. And you get this expression. Now what the problem was asking was to make a block diagram of these coupled equations. So when we consider a block diagram, we want two inputs, f of s and g of s, and just one output, x of s. Now obviously we'll have y of s in there, which we'll point out as you'll see here shortly. Now when I first considered where to start, I knew I wanted my output x of s, so I went ahead and put it on the far right. Because I knew I really didn't want anything past that as far as my diagram's concerned. And so I started with this equation and build off of that, which, as you can see, we need a 30 x of s and a 10 fs to make this y of s. And so branched off of that, you get the 30, you use this summer with this f of s input times the 10, and when you use this integrator, your y of s will actually be right here, and that will be this expression. If you follow along, you have the negative 30 and the positive 10 fs. So that's going to be your y of s, and you can see up here we have y of s in this equation too. Well, since we know that's here, we can input that, add in 5x of s. Well, actually we'll be subtracting it, and our other input as we needed here into this summer. We take 1 over s, the integrator here, and that will give us our x of s, this expression. So this will be our block diagram for those two coupled equations. Thank you.